Come in.
Hello?
Hello.
May I come in?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Coronado. I'm going to be your nurse for today. How are you?
I'm feeling bad.
Okay. Can I sit here?
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot of water bottles.
Yeah.
Can you go ahead and tell me your name and your date of birth?
My name's Natalie Flores, and my date of birth is August 15, 1999.
Okay. So what seems to be the issue?
I've been feeling really thirsty, and I've been going to the restroom a lot. And I'm kind of short of breath.
Okay. So for today, is it okay if I check your blood sugar levels? It seems that you're showing symptoms of hyperglycemia, which is an elevated level of sugar within your blood system.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to have to prick your finger. It shouldn't hurt that much. Now let me ask you, are you allergic to anything?
No.
No. So you're not allergic to any type of medication?
No.
No? Okay. So it seems that your blood sugar is a little elevated. It's currently at 200. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call the doctor and I'm gonna see if I can get you an order for insulin, and that should help you bring it down.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Now, is there anything else that I could do for you today?
No, that was all. Thank you.
That was all?
Yes.
Okay. I really hope you feel better.
Thank you.
And I'll work on getting that order as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Sarah.
Hi.
I'm Sherry. I'm going to be the nurse today, taking care of you.
Alrighty.
I just need you to identify your name and your date of birth.
Sarah Nellico, 4/14/2001.
Okay, great. So what brought you here today? What's going on?
Well, I've been feeling very shaky. I've been getting headaches and nauseous and
Okay.
kind of sick.
Can I check your blood sugar?
Yeah.
Okay. Any allergies to medications or any food?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to have to prick your finger. Is that okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, it's 65, so it is kind of low. So I'm going to go ahead and give you some orange juice,
Alright.
and then I'll check back in 15 minutes to see if that brings it up. Is that okay? Do you like orange juice?
Yes.
Okay, great. Band-Aid. Okay, let me get the orange juice. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, and do you have anything else you need?
No.
Can I get you? Okay, so 15 minutes, I'll be back, okay? Thank you. Okay, hey guys, I'm here. I'm going to teach you on the hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia, the things you need to watch out for and do. For the hypoglycemia, you just need to make sure that you're eating a balanced meal and manage your stress and get plenty of rest, okay? And for the hyperglycemia, just make sure you're exercising and stay away from sugars and eating more healthy, okay? And then I'm going to teach y'all on the glucometer reader on how to use it, okay? So of course, you're going to always clean the area that you're going to prick, any finger, okay? And then you're going to poke it to get some blood, okay? Make sure after you get your first blood, you're going to write that first bit of blood, and then your second amount of blood you want to put on the land strip, and then this right here will give you your reading. And that reading will tell you how much insulin you need, okay? Do you have any questions?
So my doctor said that I need to do it every day. Is that correct?
That is correct. And do you have any?
No. You've answered everything.
Okay, and I'm going to send home some papers so you can read that will give you some more information on hypo and hyperglycemia. Is that okay?
Yes,
All right. There you go.
Thank you.
And there you go.
Thank you.